come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are a seasoned subscriber. My name is Jelisa, my channel name is Tameless, and you can find me on Instagram under Tameless in Style. Today's video, I'm so excited. So today's video has been literally a month coming. It has been a whole month process. It is an unboxing, and I have the box here. I have not opened it. I didn't plan on filming today, so you see I'm a little bit of a more of a light and casual look. I've just been working from home, my normal 9-to-5 job, but I wanted to open this on camera for you guys, so got myself together so that we can be here today. So a little bit about it before I get into exactly what the item is. I might timestamp just in case I get a little chatty and you want to just figure out what it is. So started prelude, you probably get a hint. So for one, this item is definitely off of my 2021 luxury wish list. So that's the first hint right there. Number two, it is Dior. So starting off with that. So I was on Instagram January 29th, and I'm like scrolling through and I see like one of the like sellers that I like follow post that Dior has a price increase coming, and I'm like, what? And they're like February 1st, and I'm like, February 1st? That's Monday. It was Friday afternoon, and I'm like start panicking. So I'm like, oh my gosh, nobody knows exactly what items were going to be increased, but they knew that they were going to be up to 30% off, and that was the big like 30% off at 30%. And I was like, what? And I'm like, if my bags go up 30%, like that's insane. And I was not prepared for that. So I panicked and panicked. So I kind of went back and forth. I'm a Libra. I can't make decisions. Even though I wanted the bag, like I just didn't want to buy it on an impulse. So that made it panicky. And like all weekend I was like going back and forth. Sunday night, I finally am like, okay, I'm gonna buy it. Literally, it was more like Monday morning, I'll be honest. It was like 12 a.m. Sunday night, I'm like, okay, fine, I'll buy it. Bags in my cart, still at the original price. Go to check out, and it says, oh, it updates to the new price. What? Huh? I like go back to the price again, go back to the regular site. It's still on the regular site at the regular price. You add it to the cart. It's still at that same old price. As soon as you go to check out, it updates. I was like, are you kidding me? So and the price that it updated to, I'm gonna get into that later without giving away what it is. I was like, absolutely not. So I went on fashionphile, found one on fashionphile that was in really great condition, kind of put it on my wish list because I was like, again, don't want to impulse, let me think about it for a couple days. I'm very indecisive with things like that. And I just kind of like waited, didn't really know. Fashionphile was having a Lunar New Year sale about a week and a half later. Okay, I'm definitely gonna grab it on the Lunar New Year sale. Someone grabbed the bag. So I search the bag again. Another one pops up. This one, same really great condition, in excellent condition, like no really anything to call out on it. And it actually came with the box as well, which I didn't really mind if it came with the box or not. I just mainly was worried about it coming with like the dust bag, but this one came with the box as well. So I was like, this is actually an even greater deal. And it was $300 cheaper. So without further ado, I'm gonna unbox and then I will tell you all about how the prices fluctuate. So I already cracked the box open so that we won't be fiddling on camera trying to get that open with this like super strip taped on it. Oh, and then the box got delayed as well because of the snowstorms in the Gulf Coast in the middle of the world. So that's great too, which is why I was not prepared to film today. But anywho, so it got delivered and I already cracked it open, but I haven't peeked inside yet because I want to give you guys the full experience. So let's open her up. So if you've ever ordered from fashionphile or seen someone post a fashionphile video, their boxes are really great. They have they're black on the inside and they say fashionphile on them. And then they have their symbols on the label that direction, but fashionphile on the two longer bits. So we crack that open, and oh, there's like some confetti in here. And so they always send like little gifts, which I think is so cute. So there is a file on here, in here, that says fashionphile, and then on the back it says, I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. Yagger. I mean, I'm a little bit more of a saver now, but yes, we like that as well. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And then we have, this I believe is where they have like my receipt and everything, because I've ordered from them once before. So used is a new, and then fashionphile. And then it has their little symbol on it. So I believe those are where my receipts are. I actually have one of these already, but I love another one. It's their 2021 fashionphile calendar. So if you do not have, do not know, they make a calendar every year, and they always have like really just lots of like bag and designer items in it. Like that cover has Hermes, Goyard, Chanel. January had some like Chanel and Hermes pillows, like some clutches for February, some shoes for March, April, like just super cute. I always get their calendars, they're so fun. And then there is confetti in here. Oh, so cute. So I'm going to get this out of the way. It actually can slip to the side of the box so that I'm not making a mess. So then I will prop this open. So it has another sticker that says use is a new, and it is taped closed. And it's wrapped in paper, and there's paper to stuff it too. So there was no shaking about in this box at all. So I'm gonna open it. And it is a fashionphile dust bag that they put the box in. And that is all that's in there. So I'm gonna put the box back to the side. All right, so the fashionphile has great dust bags as well. So if a bag doesn't come with this original dust bag, they do put it in a fashionphile dust bag. But it looks like they put the box in the fashionphile dust bag, which I think is nice touch. But I think their dust bags are great for like, you know, if you don't want to get, like when I travel and things like that, if you don't want to get like the dust bag that came with the bag dirty, especially if it's something that you want to resell down the line, you can always store it in the fashionphile ones. And then you have that nice and pristine. So the nice pristine white Dior box, and it is the original box for it. It says, I think this is actually just a plain box, but the box sticker, I can tell that it is from Fashionphile because it's in their font. And then we open it. Oh. Okay, so it looks like they packed it not inside of its dust bag, but the dust bag, original dust bag is in here. And you guys ready? So it is the Dior Oblique mini saddle bag in the navy Oblique with gold hardware. Oh my gosh. Remove the tag and own the bag. So it's a certificate of authenticity, a little tag that they put on it that I just said, you know, remove the tag, you own the bag. The leather, there's no creasing in the leather. The gold, there's a little bit of like scratching on it, but nothing that I'm like concerned about. Yeah, the leather is in really good condition. The edging, really good condition. Wow. Let's look inside. It is teeny. But I knew that already going into this. So yes. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. Yes. Okay. So now we're gonna go back to pricing. It has a little back slip, like literally, it's in great condition. Great condition for what I paid for it. And then it comes with the dust bag is in there as well. Oh my gosh, so excited. Okay, so when I first started lusting over the Dior saddle bags again, because you know, they made a resurgence a couple years, I think 2019, 2018, I can figure out and I'll put up for you guys. But they made their resurgence, and very much I kind of just was like, oh, okay, they're coming back, like, great, they're cute, but wasn't really too concerned about it at the moment. I wasn't really buying too many. I didn't buy any. I bought like maybe 1 or 2 bags in 2020, and same with 2019. There's a lot going on personally that I just wasn't buying bags. So finally they came out with them. I wasn't really paying too much mind. In like June, July of 2020, I was like, oh, started like going crazy on my Pinterest board and was like pinning them. And I was like, you know, I hope I'm not getting influenced. At that time, they were literally about to go, they went through a price increase in July. So in June, they were $24.50. And in July, it went up to $27.50. So I was like, okay, you know, I just started liking it, you know, it's fine. Keep looking. Continued to be something that populated on the top of my brain. And I was like, every time I see it, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. And every time I would see a new outfit, I'd be like, oh, that bag would look so cute with it. I need it. And then this final price increase, they increased it again up to $32.50. So when I first wanted the bag, it was $24.50. And now retails for $32.50. It was an $800 hike in less than a year. Yeah, no. So, like I said, I went on fashionphile. First bag I found was retailing for $2,500. It was like a weird number, but it was $2,500. This guy I found was retailing for $22, again, 22 something. And then they were having their sale where it was you spend $1,000, you get $100 off, $2,000, $200 off, $3,000, get $300 off. I always will put when they're having those kind of promotions on my Instagram page, so make sure you're following me there, Tameless in Style, because I'll put them there, and then I always will like put little bags that I'm finding on their website. Not that I'm specifically buying, but you know, things that are out there. But anyways, so I got this bag for $2 grand, which is $1,250 less than what it is currently retailing for. It is in like perfect condition. It comes with all the fixings, the dust bag, the paper still has a Dior sticker on it. I'm going to show it to you guys. Like the paper still has a Dior sticker on it. The box, like, I'm obsessed. It looked like nothing on it tells me like there's any like defects. Like the canvas is clean. Like, I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Now, I need you guys' help. So if you watched my 2021 wish list, I want a strap. Clearly, I'm not a very much of a like a handheld girl. And this isn't a like shoulder bag really because of the mini has a shorter strap. So I want a strap for it. My problem is I can't decide which strap I want. So it's between the adjustable strap that I'll put a picture, or the adjustable just blue strap, or the Bohemian strap. Now the Bohemian strap, both straps went up in price as well with the price increase, but the Bohemian strap, there are a ton on the resale, well not a ton, but a good bit that I found on the resale market, same, not really having too many, anything really wrong with them, and they are going for $700 less than what they are at the Dior boutique. Versus the adjustable ones, I would just have to buy it from the Dior boutique. They had a $100 price increase. It is what it is. My problem is some people, when I see, like I've been trying to look up pictures and trying to find like reviews and things, and I can't really tell with people's body types. Some people, when I see them with like the Bohemian or the unadjustable, I feel like the bag is just too high up. And I know that's like a lot of people like their bags like super secure and higher up, which is fine. But I think I'm a curvier girl with a smaller bag. I just think it won't look right. And I just want to make sure that it has enough drop. Like I don't mind if it like hits like right at my stomach and not lower, but I just don't want it to look like it's choking me, which I feel like it might. So that's why I'm leaning towards adjustable, but I really do like the Bohemian strap. So you guys help me out. If you have the strap, you have this bag, you have the strap, or you know someone who has, or you know, you just have a preference of which one you think is better, comment below, let me know. I'm all for your opinions because that is definitely like top of my to buy list now is a strap for this beauty, but I can't wait to take her out on the town. Like, I feel like I can dress her up. She can be a little bit of elegante, and then she's also casual, and I feel like, you know, she's just subtle flex. Like, if you don't know, she's monogram, yes, but I feel like Dior is like an understated, like a lot of people who don't really know fashion and things don't really know the Dior oblique print. Like, everybody knows Louis, everybody knows CC's or Chanel, but like not everybody knows the CD. I feel like CD is like, you know, just a little extra touch of elegance. But I am so excited and so in love, and I can't wait to take her out on the town. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts on a strap. And yeah, I'm so excited. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for tuning in. Go ahead and like and comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what strap to get. I need your help. And of course, subscribe to my channel. But I thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah.